Hi, my name is Regina Yoder. Today we're going to talk about how to improve your artistic skills through Bible journaling. Now, I recently purchased a painting course because I wanted to get better at painting. And yet, while there's value in that, how much more beneficial it is to improve your artistic skills while also doing something that is so beneficial to your walk with the Lord. Have you ever looked at beautifully illustrated Bible journaling pages and thought to yourself, how can I create something like that? I wish I was an artist. Well, I've got good news because Bible journaling is not just for the naturally gifted artist. I know this because I'm not a naturally gifted artist and I love Bible journaling, and it's a very meaningful practice for me. And I've noticed over time that my artistic skills are getting better as I'm consistent in trying new things. So today I'm going to share with you 3 things that can help you hone your artistic skills and have fun doing it. So the first step in improving your artistic skills through Bible journaling is to embrace simple techniques. You don't need complex art lessons or expensive supplies in order to make really beautiful Bible journaling entries. Focus on mastering those foundational techniques such as color blending, shading, adding layers to your artwork, things like that. I recommend starting by blending colored pencils because they for sure won't bleed through your Bible pages and they're really fun to work with. Layering stickers and clip art and pairing that with your own handwriting in different styles also adds really unique elements to your Bible journaling entries. And if this is something you want to try but you haven't yet and you want to get started, I have a free workshop that I'll link below this video where you can watch over my shoulder and do it right along with me so that you can get the hang of it really easily. And that's a really great place to start learning how to do some of these techniques. The next step to improving your artistic skill is to look for inspiration. And I encourage you to look for diverse sources of inspiration, such as Pinterest boards, online tutorials, or even nature. I have a couple of different kinds of flowers pressed in my Bible, 4-leaf clovers, things like that. A great place to start looking for ideas is on our Facebook group, Everyday Faith. If you haven't already, ask to join there. And then go to the Photos tab and just scroll through there, and you'll get lots of different ideas of things you might want to try. And the more you expose yourself to different ideas and try them, the more your skills will grow and evolve over time. The final step in improving your artistic skills is to practice regularly. Consistency is so key. So set aside a dedicated time each week when you're going to Bible journal and try out some new techniques. The more you practice, the more your artistic skill will develop over time. Make sure to date your entry too so that you can see your progress, not only in your art over time, but also in your faith as you practice Bible journaling long term. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep in mind that Bible journaling is a very personal expression of faith and artistic creativity. There's not a right or wrong way to do it, so just have fun with the process and enjoy the growth that it brings, not only in your artistic skills, but also in your relationship with God. It's exciting to think that in a few short weeks, you could be the confident creator of Bible journaling entries that you love to look back on. And don't forget to sign up for that free workshop that's linked in the description, because that is the next step that will get you to the place where you've grown your creative skills, you found your unique style, and you're confident in your Bible journaling. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you make sure you don't miss the next video that's coming out, and I'll see you in the next one.